Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowen. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, factoring a perfect square trinomial in two variables. So this looks a little more intimidating, but is going to work pretty much the exact same way as our other perfect square trinomials. The fact that there's another variable doesn't actually change very much. So looking at this, as with any factoring we're going to do, we're looking for a greatest common factor first, but it does not appear that there is anything in common. There's only u's and 2, there's only w's and 2. The only factors of 9 are 3 and 3, and 64 is not divisible by 3, so no greatest common factors here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm using my perfect square trinomial factoring just to speed things up. You can use any other trinomial factoring you want, and it'll work here. It's just if you know the perfect square one, it will speed things up if you already know it's a perfect square. So what I want to do is I want to find the square roots of my first and last terms. So remember, you can do these separately. So the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of u squared is u, and the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of w squared is just single w. All right, so I'm nearly done, believe it or not. If I know those perfect squares, I just need to bring down the sign of the middle term, which is currently addition because it's a positive 48. So this factors into 3u plus 8w squared. Now this only works if I know it's a perfect square trinomial, and I do because they announced it in the title. Normally I wouldn't, and I would probably apply a different method here, but since I do, that's all there is to it.